a loosely declarative language like JavaScript. So I think everything looks fine. So inside the home we have added the app bar, and in the body we have added this. So the reason we had to remove this const is because the const is already declared here. Again, we don't need this this center. We will remove this center. So inside the body we have, and yeah, now again we have to bring back the const. We have to remove this app bar. So everything looks set now, and we will reload our app. We will hot reload our app, and we will see if we get yeah. So we can see that our app bar is back, but again it is not, the open date picker is not in center. So let's try to bring it in center. Maybe I shouldn't have removed this center part. So let's hot reload once again and see if this open date picker button comes in center. So hot reload is taking a bit of time. In case hot reload doesn't work, we can restart the app. Also, the shortcut to restart the app is Shift R. So we will restart the app. And this is again also taking time, so I'm not sure what's the reason. Maybe but we are connected with the device. I can see here we are connected with the device. So rather I will do the Flutter run. I think that will be more suitable. Okay, yeah, so now this restarted our app, and it's just installing it on the device. Okay, so this didn't bring the open date picker in the center, but I will let it be as it is for now, because it is still working, and that is what we need for now. So the next thing that we need is that we need to create a model, and model is basically a file that we will create, and we will just give it a structure so that we can pass the data that we receive from HTTP call in that model in specific design. So to create a model, we will just create a new file, and we will name it as model.dart, and we need to also create a file for HTTP service. So for now we will just use this one. To make things faster, what I will do is that I will copy some codes from other application, that is other Flutter app, so that it saves some time and it doesn't make the video very long, and we can concentrate more on the implementation part. So let me paste the code for model. So here I have the code for model. Here we are just importing the foundation package, and I think we, in almost all the Dart files that we create, we generally use this foundation package. And now for the model, we have created the view class, and you can see that here we have two properties, views and product name, because that is what we will take from the data from the endpoint, that is the view counts and the product name. And here we are calling the constructor, that is we are using the view constructor, and again in the view constructor we have these two property names. And you can just notice that every time we are using this property, we are giving it a declaration, and this is what is important in Flutter.